Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's The Core series, we're experiencing Coecoei Tropical.
Said it wrong. It's
Coecoei Tropical.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, can you tell us a little bit about this
Coecoei
for us?
Coecoei Tropical from Aruba. It's beautiful, man. All right, it's just look at this red. Look at it, so pretty.
Ugh.
This bottle is 22 years old. No,
It
23.
doesn't at all resemble medicine.
Yes,
Look at the
nothing.
glass. Where
Look at that. It just coats the whole glass. Looks like freaking NyQuil.
It's freaking NyQuil or Dimetap shit. Oh no, it's NyQuil.
But like I said, it's only available in Aruba. It's 50%. It was originally made by native tribes of Venezuela, and then around 60 years ago, it was brought to Aruba. This recipe. So apparently, the chief component of this cocktail of the Aruba Ariba, it's made from Kukwisa, which sap plant, which is some type of agave plant, which makes it turn this red color as this sap, and then it's made with rum and cane sugar added to it. So. And they have zero history. Like, it was a bitch to find anything about this boat. But yeah, I brought this back in 2000 from Aruba. So I guess, 21 years old. So it's sitting around up on the cabinet. So still looks like it's fine. It's good news. I paid $6.25 of whatever the hell the currency they use in Aruba. I remember we walked to a grocery store from the resort, and I also bought a gallon of 151 rum for $6.
Jesus.
Which then all of us drank the entire gallon over the next 2 or 3 days with several of our friends and mixed it with ice cream. It was great.
Nice.
We got really messed up.
Yeah, I'd say.
Because at nighttime, the bar closed. So then after that, like 1, 2 in the morning, the bar closed. Like, we need more alcohol. Guess who is it? We have a 151 rum. It'll be fine. So I dragging that thing back from the grocery store, a gallon of it. We walked like a mile for this thing. So it was fun. So,
Oh,
There's so much licorice in this.
licorice and
crazy licorice, anise, and sugar.
black licorice, and it's red. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it's just like those black jelly beans.
No, what are those? Are they good and plenties? Are those the
Oh, those are licorice too, yeah.
red and or the pink and white?
Yeah, the pink and white ones, those ones, yeah. Smells crazy licorice.
This is worse than NyQuil. I'd rather take NyQuil.
The
but
fun part is
it looks like
it's pretty.
it's not as dark as NyQuil, so I went with Dimetap, but it sure doesn't smell like Dimetap.
No, I really like these cocktails, though. I know we drank many of them in Aruba. They're quite delicious. That's why I bought this. Don't worry, there's a conch one we're going to drink, too. It's like an egg one that's been in the refrigerator. We're going to drink that one, too. It's the consistency of pudding now.
I'm not a fan of black licorice.
Oh, I know. I hadn't opened this bottle probably in 20 years until I opened this tonight for us, too.
Oh, geez, are you going to poison us?
Maybe.
I already drank it earlier. It's fine.
50% ABV.
No, I already drank it earlier.
It's gonna be fine. I'm still not dead. It's
Okay.
fine. All right, let's see. It's so weird. It doesn't really get that much of the anise, the licorice at all.
Yes, it does.
I get more of this like banana oily,
I get no
like a little bit of little light anise, but then it's like guava, papaya, mango, tropical thing. I like it. I think it's good. That's why I bought a bottle.
Yeah, it is. It is much more tropical than I expected.
Yeah, because I thought, once
I
I
do get like a mango guava cream.
It's very
not super sweet.
It's not, which I figured it would be, and it's totally not, because I couldn't remember
Yeah.
what the hell it tastes like, because it's been 20 years since I opened this bottle.
It's very muted in the background for me as far as the tropical fruits go. They're there, but it is the licorice dominant for me, which I don't like. So that's what's lingering in for me. I swear it tastes like a good and plenty, that hard candy outer shell and that licorice inside, and then I spit them out.
See, more to me, it's the nose that's the licorice. The flavor doesn't. I'll just be like a killer licorice. It's just really not. It's really quite nice.
Kind of switched sides here.
So for me on this one, the licorice does play a factor, but to me, the flavor almost leans itself more towards like a Twizzlers than it does to the black licorice that I'm
Yeah, I
expecting
agree.
with the nose.
Oh, and see, no, red,
There's a
like red
fruitiness,
Twizzlers.
like a red vine. There's like a fruitiness.
I like
Yeah.
those. I don't like this.
There's a fruitiness to a component to that like it smells like you're about to bite into a black licorice, but then you bite into it and it's all of a sudden a red one. It's very confusing to my palate, but I could sip on that for a couple of minutes.
Woo! We call this number
Couple
4.
of minutes. Couple of minutes.
Yeah,
Hey,
I
that's
took
a
a second
win.
sip. I took a second
Exactly.
sip.
It's a sip and sip. We call that a win.
And I have
that's a
not. So
big win in my book.
we traded
Absolutely.
places.
Apparently, which is pretty funny.
Well, this one just doesn't have the sugar content at all.
No, it doesn't. Like I thought it would. No, it really doesn't have high sugar at
I
all.
think the sugar
Interesting.
content would help me.
The 50% is just it's nice and it's present, but it's not overpowering. It doesn't
Yeah, it's
drink
really
like
not.
doesn't drink like a bottled and bond whiskey. It doesn't have that
No.
harsh
Well,
bite.
no, yeah. I just no.
Just no.
If you're traveling to Aruba, you can get a bottle. If not, you're just shit out of luck. It's not available anywhere else in the entire world. You have to go to Aruba to buy it.
So I mean, if you want to try it, that gives you a good reason to go to Aruba.
Well,
Yes,
that's
Or
Aruba is
Nassau.
a beautiful place.
All right. I'm not going to drink anything because I don't have anything to. Well, okay. Not enough of that Pete
I hope
out of
not.
the glass
We'll
went in
see.
there. We'll find out.
Mm.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And be sure to join us Monday nights live. Until next time,
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
cheers. Nope. Has a little bit of Pete there. Yeah. This is not a good experience.
This was fun.
All around.
Good day, Matt. Yay.
And next week we're drinking